Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss very important topic in operation management, stage gate approach. So what do you mean by stage gate approach? Stage gate process is also called the phase gate process. It's a project management technique in which a project is divided into distinct stages or phases separated by decision points known as gates. The stage gate process consists of a series of stages and gates. Each stage is defined by a set of specific research activities, and gates are checkpoints where critical decisions are made. So overall objectives are to integrate uniform guidelines into portfolio management. Portfolio is nothing but structure. Optimize research investments, control project quality and maximize outcomes, standardize decision making. So value identification and value realization. So phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, there are 5 stages: feasibility, selection, definition, execution, operations. So phase 1, feasibility. So whatever, if you are doing a research, first you can check the feasibility, whether we will do or not. So the feasibility phase should answer very basic questions. Is the project feasible? What are the key values in the project? What are the conditions required for the project? What are the full life cycle risk factors? So during this phase, the project team and management also should determine if the project is aligned with the company's strategic vision. So vision is a long-term goal. So phase 2, selection. So the goal of the selection phase or phase 2 is to select the best development plan out of a wide range of commercialization concepts. This phase requires a balanced mixture of creativity and discipline that allows the project team to identify and evaluate alternatives that will lead to the maximum value creation. At the end of this phase, a preferred development plan is identified that will be basis of the future project activities. So after the selection, we are going to define, that is a phase 3 definition. During phase 3 or definition phase, the selected development alternative is further studied and refined into sufficient detail as required to proceed further. So what is the definition? You got it. Next, you are going for execution. It defines whether the project execution is sufficiently done so that the execution phase can start safely and economically. Then phase 5, operations. So now only we are come to that operations. Considers whether the project is operated in a safe and operationally effective manner. So gates, these are decision points, which decision we are going to take in each gate. So these are decision points for initiating funding or moving forward with your project. At each gate, the following occurs. A set of criteria is used to judge the progress of the project. A decision is made as to whether the project should go ahead, be delayed or stopped. So there are 3 types: go ahead, or delayed, or whether it will be stopped. Approval of funding is made for the next stage, because everything will be ready, but you will get that fund will be delay, means approval of funding is made for the next stage. A path forward for the next stage is presented and approved. So these are all the related to the stage gate process. So rest of them we will continue in the next session. Thank you all. Thank you all for watching.